Afrobeat singer and rapper Falz has caused widespread speculation after he posted a series of photographs with an unidentified woman on his Instagram yesterday, August 28th, and his caption was what even raised more dust. He wrote, and I quote, "It's been a long time coming, and having to do this with you is one of the best decisions of my life." First of all, introduction, and trust social media to go wild. Some persons were like, is this an engagement? Are you sure he's not, catching cruise with us? Is this just a post, to announce an upcoming album? And some persons were like, until Funke Akindele comments, they will not believe. And some celebrities actually bought into it. For example, Stan Izzy was like, congratulations, while others were like, please, hope you're not joking with us. So is Falz really engaged? I do not know, because in 2022 Falz actually revealed that he had never told a lady, "I love you." So is Falz really engaged? I don't know. I think with time we'll know if for sure it's an announcement for an upcoming album, or if indeed it's his marriage introduction. So tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts about this? I remain Esther Salami with the News Chronicle TV, and I will see you next week. Make sure to like this video and share it with your community.